We target either the environmental aspects, we target the value chain, the life cycle stages, we target also the behavior, not only of the company, but all the stakeholders involved in the value chain of the production of the products, and these to identify global solutions that can have global impact, so that can be more effective, and that can involve the development of new products, new processes, maybe new markets, maybe new partners. So these two approaches for a change. So we target the change, the transition between situation to another situation much more sustainable. So another thing about maybe to add for the InTex project, what is the outputs maybe for us for InTex project is that the project creates a fair competitiveness, a fair competition, not only between the companies, but also between the three countries involved in this project. So we are trying all to identify eco-innovation solution, PEF action plans. And this is good for us in Tunisia because we are actually implementing our national strategy of ecological transition. And in this strategy, we have identified 53 measures that take into account the notions of circularity and life cycle approaches and eco-innovation. So InTex project was really a good opportunity to experience in real those approaches and to integrate the recommendation of companies, not only of companies and feedbacks of companies, but the feedbacks also of all stakeholders to integrate them in our future national policies.
From both perspectives, I think the methodologies of product environmental footprinting and eco-innovation, they weren't new to me specifically, but it's new to the companies that was on board that participated in the InTex phase 1. And I would say that product environmental footprinting, as complicated as it is and quite complex, looking at it, based on the training that we have provided to the companies last year and previously, they uptook this knowledge quite well, and specifically around, quantifying the environmental impacts, confirming to us that these quantifications and this data sets and the representation of the results was well understood. And with that, new actions and action plans are being developed. So I would say the product environmental footprint, although it seemed complex at the beginning, I think it has been absorbed and the lessons have been absorbed by the companies. There's a lot of good uptake in terms of the understanding and also the realization of having data-driven tools to ensure that companies quantify the environmental footprint of their products and how important it is going forward.
There were three main objectives that we participated in. The first one was on policy. The second one was on eco-innovation. And the third one was on life cycle assessment and product environmental footprint. The capacity of Moi University staff and team at large benefited so much when working on the policy scan, whereby the interaction with different government officers enabled Moi University to build networks and to be able to understand how to work with the government in coming up with a policy for the textile and apparel sector. In the second objective, Moi University worked on eco-innovation that included sustainability and circularity. In this area, Moi University received training from UNEP for 10 modules, which enabled it to be able to carry out eco-innovation assessments in Kenya. And this has enabled Moi University to work with several textile companies, both large and small. And this capacity has been used in many other areas that included also working with another company, actually 3 of them that were not even in the initial InTex trained companies. In the 3rd pillar, Moi University was trained on life cycle assessment and product environmental footprint. This was carried out with the help of the South to South expert and also with the help of the UNEP team. There were 2 face-to-face trainings, but there were several virtual meetings. Moi University was able to build its capacity and carried out LCA and hotspot analysis in several SMEs in Kenya. The capacity of Moi University has been so much enhanced to the point that Moi University was selected to offer LCA and PEF training for Kenyan youth by the University of Ghent. So this is a testament that Moi University capacity has really been enhanced, and now it can offer LCA and PEF training.